Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and a crochet hook in size 5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot. Now for this stitch you need to chain multiples of 4. So now that we have made a foundation chain, we'll skip the next 4 chains, and through this 5th chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through this next chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 double crochet. So I'll continue making 1 double crochet through each chain throughout row 1. So now to finish row 1, I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2, I'll use yarn in different color. Then I'll turn my work around. Now right there through the first double crochet chain, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook right here through a slip knot loop and pull through. I will chain 1, then through the same double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I will chain 2, I'll skip the next chain, and through the second chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 4, then I'll skip the next 3 chains, and through this 4th chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 4, I'll skip the next 3 chains, and through this 4th chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 4, I'll skip the next 3 chains, and through this 4th chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 4, I'll skip the next 3 chains, and through this 4th chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 4, I'll skip the next 3 chains, and through this 4th chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I will chain 2, then I'll skip 1 double crochet chain, and through this last double crochet chain, which is our 3rd turning chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3, I'll turn my work around, and then I'll chain 1, then right there through that first single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. And now I'll chain 5, then through this 3rd chain from a hook I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 2, now right there through that same single crochet chain I'll make 3 triple crochet cluster. So 1, 2, and 3. I'll chain 1, then I'll skip this first 2 chain loop, and through this next 4 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 5, through the 3rd chain from a hook I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 2, now right there through that same single crochet chain I'll make 3 triple crochet cluster. Now through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 5, through the 3rd chain from a hook I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 2, then through the same single crochet chain I'll make 3 triple crochet cluster. Through this next 4 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 5. Through the third chain from the hook, I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 2. Then through that same single crochet chain, I'll make 3 triple crochet cluster. Through this next 4 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 5. Through the third chain from the hook, I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 2. Through that same single crochet chain, I'll make 3 triple crochet cluster. So 1, 2, and 3. Through this next 4 chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 5. Through the third chain from the hook, I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 2. Through a single crochet chain, I will make 3 triple crochet cluster. I'll chain 1, then through his last single crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. So this completes row 2.